Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix network, data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth problems on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, network and data connections are fatal for making calls, sending messages, and accessing the internet. If these connections fail, your ability to communicate is severely limited. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To comprehensively address connectivity issues on your device, start by accessing the Settings menu. So, navigate to the Wi-Fi option and delve into the Advanced options. Here, locate and access the Safe Network section. Review and remove any previously connected networks that are no longer in use or causing issues, ensuring a clean slate for your Wi-Fi connections. And after managing your Wi-Fi settings, return to the Settings menu and proceed to the Bluetooth section. Here, review your previously paired devices and select the settings icon next to each one to forget them. This step ensures that any problematic Bluetooth connections are removed, allowing for a fresh start. Okay, and for a more comprehensive approach, navigate back to the Settings menu and locate the System option. So within this section, search for the Reset Phone menu. And then select Reset Wi-Fi settings to revert all Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth configurations to their default state. Finally, confirm the reset action by clicking on Reset. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix network, data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth problems on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.